May passport ka na ba?
Yes po, meron po.
Very good.
Passport.
First time mo ba mag-inquire about studying abroad?
Yes po.
Okay. Currently ba nag-aaral ka?
Yes po, ngayon po.
Anong nasa senior high?
Yes, graduating pa po.
Alam ng parents mo na nag-i-inquire ka about studying abroad?
Yes, alam po. Pero around Europe po, anong mas malapit po sa Norway? At yung Germany po ba, need po ba yung IELTS na exam po?
Not required.
May scholarship din po ba doon po?
At your age, I would highly suggest din, maganda rin naman sa Europe kasi it's, you know, you can imagine parang Emily in Paris yan, ganyan, diba? Pero German version, ganon. Because cultural-wise, in Europe, talagang masasabi kong na-preserve nila yung kanilang culture, like you can see in the architecture, sa food most especially, and then you know, in Germany talagang madaming naging wars dyan before, so marami silang mga museum na talagang may enjoy mo. Ako I particularly enjoy Europe, so yun lang naman. Pero at the moment, ano yung tina-target mong, like for example, course na gusto mong i-take?
Computer science po, or IT.
Computer science or sa IT. Tama-tama. Meron kaming school. This is located in Berlin.